Alright, hey everybody, PC Addict 365 here. If you guys are having trouble on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A or other devices with the screen either flickering, like half of the screen being dead, the other half being white, the screen being all black, but yet you still have volume and stuff, or the screen flickering and whatnot, I figured out what the problem is. So what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to use a credit card or something to go along the side between the screen and the back and pop off the back cover. It's just a bunch of little tabs, so the back cover should pop off. But what the problem is it's real easy to fix. It's actually a ribbon cable. If any of you guys work with computers or anything like that, you know what ribbon cables are. And it's this black one here. It has tape over it normally. There's tape going between the black ribbon cable and this little blue one. I'll zoom out so you can tell. But you got your battery here. There's a ribbon cable that goes from this end to this end. Well, what happens is this ribbon cable, or possibly this one, but for your display, it's this big black one here. It actually comes loose. So as it's coming loose, part of the display will quit working, or the display will dim down, or it'll just completely stop depending on how loose that is from the connector. So what you want to do, there will be a piece of tape over it. Gently pull that piece of tape off. Make sure to hold these ribbons down when you're lifting the tape off. And then you'll go, and on the side here, I don't know if you can see it, it's popped up right now, which is because we're slid this new. I'll show you. If I slide this back, that there is your ribbon cable. Okay, so that's what's causing your problem. So you want to just, this black piece will normally be down. Right there it's down. So then you'll want to flip that up. So if you have some small hands or fingernails, or your kids' fingernails or something, just have them get under that. And there, pop it up. So it'll be popped up now. And once it's popped up, you can go ahead and slide this ribbon cable back in. And make sure you slide it all the way in so you can't see any more of the little copper or silver connectors there. I'm trying to do this with one hand. But you want to slide that all the way in and then flip this little black piece back down and then hit your power on the device and your screen should work again. So everything should be back in order, back working good. Put on your cover and you're good to go. So that'll fix the problems, guys. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, favorite, like, share, and subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Appreciate the support. I need to get my channel over 1,000 subscribers so I can monetize it again. So hopefully this video can help do it, guys. Share this video. And yeah, remember, thumbs up. So appreciate it. Stay tuned for more. Later, everybody.